pinabarangay namin sa Pilimon ay Lagarto Jr. alias Idoy noong March 13, 2015 pamanting Esperan na Sultan Kudrad ay pinutol niya ang mga dahon nang mahuli ko siya share daw para sa tiin ang agricultural. Pagdating sa barangay, bit-bit niya ang dalawang kapatid kung lalaki at babae na alam na nila na kami ay may konting problema at nag-aaway palagi. Ang nangyari, nawala ang tensyon sa reklamo namin kay Pilimon Lagarto Jr. alias Idoy. Gulo ang nangyari sa barangay. Umalis ako ng barangay para umuwi na naman. Ngunit sa paglabas ko sa barangay, inaway ng kuya ko ang aking nanay at nang nakita niya ako sa labas, ako ang kanyang pinag-initan naman. Nang mag-aksyon siya, tapunan niya ko ng malaking bato. Hawak ko ang aking anak. Bumunot ako. Nagpaputok ng baril, pero pataas. At tumawag ng pulis ang barangay kapitan na si Honorable Pedro A. Aquila. At sila pa naman ang pulis. Kasagay hapot, umuwi. Kaya ang reklamo namin kay Pilimon Lagarto Jr. nabaliwala. At ito ang ginawa nila. Isang pong agreement. Pero wala na ako. Ako umuwi. Those both party. Ismana ng children named Melvin Ismana and Desiree Abitria Francis Ismana Jr. and Gilbert Ismana will fully agreed for the arrangement and cutting dignitaries in the area of Leroy Ismana. Hindi ako agree. That Lerma Ismana arranged the children in the following sequence and equal distribution according to Bulo as stated below. Hindi ang nanay ko nag-arrange, sila ang gumawa ng arrange. First to cut, Melvin Ismana. Second to cut, Desiree Ismana. Third cut, Miliatris Lerma Ismana. Hindi po nakaputol ang aking nanay. Fourth to cut, Miliatris Ismana. Nakaputol po ako, pero nawala. Tukat Gimletris Albert Ismanan yung bunso aming kapatid. Unang sabi na nanay ko kay Idoy, putulan niya ang kapatid ko para ipadala sa Davao ang pera. Sabi niya, oo, may nagputulan doon. Pagkaan ng 3 araw, wala daw na putol dahil nasira daw ang makina na kanyang chinso. That the schedule of cutting will be one at a time, not all the same time, or one after the other. This arrangement of cutting trees is in coordination with Pilimon I. Lagarto Jr. that every time they cut trees, the share for the government, barangay, municipal, or provincial and other government offices concerned in this matter will be given to Mr. Pilimon Lagarto as prescribed by his license for operation. That will be manaan ang DCRM arbitrary should not disturb or make any unnecessary action or violent act against their non-practice is manaan and is manaan upon the time of cutting trees in their area. Failure to comply. The said agreement, the concerned violator will be subject for any penalty of the first party will continue to file a case arising from the settlement. Yan ang ginawa ng barangay. Dahil ayaw ko sa patakaran ni Idoy. Promises considered that if any party shall break this compromise agreement is punishable by law. And witness we have affixed our signature opposite our names the 13th day of March 2015 at Pamantingan Esperanza Sultan Kura. Medben is mga judiciary Parentis mga wala pong perma. Pilbertis mga wala rin pong perma. Pilimon ay Lagarto Jr. Mabilis magperma. Andres C. Martin Kagawad Arturo Bernal Pisag Orler ng sa lubang walang barangay Manirog wala yung mga tao na yan Mary Grace ang secretary at ang barangay kapitan Honorable Pedro Aquile siya nagsabi kay Director Jerry Dolauta na hindi daw pumapasok sila Lagarto sa area namin para magputol ng kahoy. At yan yung mga ebidensya namin. Po, nabawi ko yan. Pero sabi ng operator, sobra 1,500 board feet. Pero nabawi ko yan ng po. Yan yung ulang kinuha niya. Na-share para sa dinar. Wala pa rin nangyari. Lumapit po kami sa Office of the Barangay, Office of the Municipal Mayor, Esperanza Sultan Mura. Noong April 13, 2015. Yan po ang sulat na binigay namin ni Honorable Mayor Helen Latog. Sir, greetings. This has reference to the permit that office issued to Mr. Pilimon Edward to authorizing him to cut down the trees in the area owned by the LGU and in his own area in Pamantingan, this municipality. However, a complaint is brought to my office by Ms. Lerma mga analysis San Francisco na that the cutting of the trees includes the portion belonging to the plantation of Lerma and French. While it is true that 25% share goes to the Sinro, the extent of authority of Lagarto covers only the permit given to him, excluding the plantation of the mga. It is along this line that I am informing your office of the action of Lagarto, and I am also requesting that proper information provided be given to Mr. Lagarto to avoid anticipated conflicts along that line. Thank you very much. Regards, very, very truly yours. Ngayon, tinatog municipal mayor. April 13 po yan. Wala pong nangyari dahil hindi ko lang naintindihan. Paikot-ikot po balik ko kami. Nawala pa ho yung lumapit kami sa aming mayora na humingi ng tulong at wala rin nangyari. At kaya ako nakatiis. Pinadater ko na po noong April 15. Letter entry number 002089. April 15. Barangay Pumantingan. Yan po si PO2 maintindihan. Yan, Agranso. Rank name signature of this office. Hindi na po nilagyan ng type of incident. Trespassing. At yan po, investigator of police station, Esperanza Police Station investigation ang case go to Ryan J. Aranyo. Name of Chief Head of Office. Po si Lucas Llamazares. Telephone number 2266. Mobile phone 0939-1499674. Yan po si Lucas Llamazares. Nagsabing hindi pwede ulihin si Indoy Lagarto na walang utos ang DNR.